Hello Auto Warriors, this is Roy. Welcome to Arena, and today we're gonna unboxing this TRF-RACER JR Black Special, and the item number is 95550. And now we're gonna open it and see what's inside. Let's go. Okay, so let's start from the body. So the body is poly, and this is how it looks like. Okay, and here is the stickers. All right, and for this body, on the side here, you can see for the wheel, actually they already cut it for you. So only you need to do is just follow the line on the side and just cut it, like follow the line. So it's very easy. So it's very hard for you to to screw it up. So I think it shouldn't be any problem for you to make a mistake, because it's basically all are just straight cut it. Okay, so that's for the body, and this is the bracket for the pulley. So most likely all the car style pulley, it comes with this kind of bracket. So on the side there's a lots of place that you can like screw, using the screw to tighten something, parts, whatever, on this bracket. So it might be something you can use it for, like let's say for the dampers. Okay, and then this is the chassis, is MS chassis, and it's regular MS. You can see the switch over there, so that's MS chassis. And also this is the ABS, so you can see the ABS. Okay, and this is the front and the back. Okay, and this is the parts. The battery cover, gear cover is black. Okay, and this is the silver medium size PP wheels. Sorry, small size. And the special for this one, except the chassis and the body, the tire it comes with, even though it's a small size tires, but it's super hard. Okay, so it's super hard tires, so it's a pretty good option if you wanna, because the smaller size we can have is 22 millimeters. So if you're using the medium, that will be very, very thin. So if you want to try to using a small size, you can do that as well. Okay, because this one comes with super hard anyways, so it shouldn't be that bouncy. All right, so if you want, you can give it a try. Okay, and then for the gear ratio, it comes with a 3.5 high-speed gear, and the regular purple painted gear, and the rest of them are all just like normal, regular. Okay, so this is everything in this car, and let's see how it looks like after we build it. Okay, so after you guys see how it looks like after you build it, actually here I want to say, actually this car, it's one of my collections for sure, because myself, I like to collect a lot of different types of units. Also the type of, there's some unit it come with the poly body, and that is also the one I like to collect. So this one will definitely become one of my collections. Okay, and also if you see my channel, you will know I am a MS lover, so which means I love MS chassis. So this one will definitely be the one I would like to have it, because this one it comes with my favorite MS chassis. All right, and also the tire it comes with is a super hard tire, so that is not really lots of car has it, and I think this is basically the first super hard tire that I have ever seen. So for me, it's a good reason for me to collect it. Okay, so if you like this video, and if you want to see more video like this, please like, subscribe, and share this video. All right, and if you also want to collect one of that, please just go get one for yourself. All right, thank you so much. Don't forget to press the bell, so if I have the new video, then you will know it right away. Thank you, I'll see you next time.